welcome back to the channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and what I'm going to share with you today is how I have so beautifully put this end of summer tablescape together. Now, throughout my home for the spring and summer, I somewhat was into the blue and white theme, that chinoiserie chic theme. So I'm going to take it out with a bang with this lovely table that I have set up here. So all I have to finish doing is placing my flatware, and guys, I will be ready to reveal this beautiful place setting to you guys. Stemware already nicely placed. Got a little mixing and matching of my patterns here on the table. And I think we are looking absolutely beautiful here for the end of summer.
So guys, what I'm doing here is the final step before bringing to you, revealing to you my end of season, sophisticated summer affair, blue and white, chinoiserie chic table settings. This tablescape is absolutely beautiful. So my last step here is adding my flatware, and I'm choosing to go with my gold flatware. I just thought placing it on top of this white table covering with the blue and white, and if you'll notice, my stemware is trimmed in gold, and I am just so happy of the turnout of this tablescape. It is end of summer and we're taking it out with a bang. So go ahead, grab your coffee or tea. If you haven't done so already, sit back and relax and enjoy this video.
So we're going to start here in the center where I love to start, where I chose to go with these wisteria bushes here. And I went with this blue and cream color. I thought it was absolutely perfect for the look that I was going for. Use this glass vase here. This is one that I purchased from Michael's several years ago. And so that you can't witness the stems, I draped them over in such a manner that it's not so visible that you can see the stems there. I went in with this little mercury glass vase here and added some greenery. You guys know greenery to my designs and my stylings is what I like to greenery within your decorative spaces. Seems to elevate it just a little bit more. So I went in here with this mercury glass vase, added the greenery. Then I have this tiered tray. This is one that I purchased from Amazon. And guys, this is set up so if you wanted to host a tea party, then all you would do is add your little treats to your tiered tray. We also have a tea kettle here, picture for either your coffee or your tea.
So guys, here we're going to start in the center. As you know, this is my sweet spot. This is where I love to always start to share. To me, is the attraction that pulls you into the table. If you walk into a fine dining space and you look around and see that all of the tables have this amazing centerpiece, it gives you this sense of joy. And this is what I like to share with my guests at my home. I want them to feel that sense of joy as they walk in and look, to realize that I did put forth effort to make them feel special and warm. I want my place to be inviting, and the drama from these wisteria branches here or bushes is just absolutely beautiful. And these come off a little bit on the lavender side, but they are light blue. And then I went in with the off-white here. And again, in this cylinder vase, this is one that I purchased from Michael's a few years ago. And here is the mercury glass vase that I added the greenery too. I choose to add the white covering because I wanted to add a lot of patterns to this table. It's the end of summer, so whether you want to use it for a dinner party, a brunch, whatever you wanted to use this table for, I think it is fitting for the occasion. So the white table covering, and then I went in with this runner on top of that. Added in some chinoiserie pieces. This vase here, I decided to add these little topiary balls on top. Place another chinoiserie piece over on the side, and we decided to add in some faux pastries and some real pastries, just to give you an idea as to how you can set your space up. So I hope this will give some type of inspiration as to how you might want to carry out your end of summer tablescape. Now I went in with these charger plates, and I think I got these charger plates from Pop Shelf. This dinner plate here is going to be different than my other dinner plates. Now this plate I think I picked up from the Dollar General, and as you can see, it has the pumpkins and the berries. And the only reason I'm using this plate is because with this pattern here, I only have 4 of the dinner plates. So I placed my chinoiserie napkin here underneath my bread plate here. This is my stemware with the gold trim. My flatware is of the gold. Added in some little tea cups and saucers. And again, this is the pattern that I picked up from Home Goods a while back. Thought it was absolutely beautiful with the rose print there. And then I just decided to use these napkins on the side. And as you know, these napkins are different than the napkins on the end. So we did a little mixing of patterns, but I think it works very well together. I am super pleased of the outcome of this table. This is my sophisticated summer affair tablescape. We are celebrating the end of summer. We're going out with a bang, and we're going out in style. So guys, let me know what you think of this tablescape by leaving me a comment in the comment section. I hope it will provide some type of inspiration or some type of idea as to how you too can set up your next dinner party or your next brunch. All right, I'm going to leave you to music, and I hope you'll enjoy. And guys, please enjoy the panoramic view of my dining room.
Anytime there is a creation made on this channel, by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell twice, you will never miss out. All right, love you guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys continue to give and shower my way. Be blessed. Thanks.